Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on software engineering concepts in Python. In this video, we are going to look at what REST is in Python. So, representational state transfer is an architectural style for networked applications using stateless client-server communication via HTTP methods. Representational state transfer is also known as REST or REST. So RESTful communication, REST uses HTTP methods like get, post, put, delete to manipulate resources, typically exchanging JSON data. Another way that REST is used through Python implementation is that Python can consume REST APIs with the request library and create RESTful services using Flask or Fast API. It is also resource oriented, as REST organizes services around resources known as data entities identified by URLs mapping naturally to the database operations. So here is an example of how you can exercise how you use Python with a REST API. So here's a typical example. Python's REST library actually simplifies REST API interactions with some of these lines of code. So try as much as possible, do this in your VS Code, and then check out how it works. So this example actually shows how Python creates resources on a REST server using JSON data and the post method. And the same pattern works for get, which is retrieve, and put, which is update, and also delete operations. So do well to try this example and let us know how it went in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.